This video is about Bohr's atomic model. Bohr used the Planck's quantum theory and proposed the model. Planck's quantum theory is an accepted relationship between energy, frequency, wavelength, and wave number. Bohr used Planck's quantum theory and proposed that the electron in hydrogen atom can exist in certain permitted quantized energy levels. Electrons around the nucleus in each orbit has a fixed energy and a quantum number is assigned to it. So electron revolves around the nucleus or remain in one of the orbit and not in between them, so angular momentum is quantized. The Planck's quantum theory point that quantum wave packet has definite amount of energy, and Bohr used this postulate that electrons in each orbit has a definite amount of energy. A quantum number is given to it. Bohr also used Planck's theory point that amount of energy creates quantum of radiation that is proportional to the frequency of the radiation. Or also proposed the model, orbits have fixed angular momentum that depends upon quantum number. It means electrons are associated in one of the orbits, not in between the orbits, and the orbits are quantized. Bohr used another Planck's theory point, that is, energy can be emitted, absorbed in the form of quantas, fixed amount of energy. Electron present in a particular orbit neither emits nor absorbs energy while they are moving in a fixed same quantized orbit. The energy is emitted or absorbed only when an electron jumps from one orbit to another orbit. So electrons in the same fixed orbits neither emit or nor absorb energy. Instead, the energy is emitted or absorbed when electrons move from one orbit to another. Here you can see the picture. When electrons move from one orbiter to another orbit, from lower energy to higher energy, they emit. So the conclusion is, Bohr's atomic model proposed in hydrogen atom, the electrons can exist only in particular permitted quantized energy level. In the next video, we will discuss Planck's energy level. It means the electrons then exist in particular permitted quantized energy level.